Hey there all my viewers, I'm living in the Pacific. I'm back on the island of Guam once again, planning another trip to the Philippines soon. Hopefully just after the new year, and it's going to be just in time for our village fiesta. Fiestas are always a good time for all, except for maybe those who like some peace and quiet and some quality sleep, but I'll get over it. The reason you haven't seen much of me lately, at least for the month of December, I've been doing a lot of computer file maintenance, soaking up a lot of my free time. My problem has always been that I get hard charging on videos and blogging, and I rarely take the time to get my files and my hard drives all in order. I am so unorganized when it comes to filing stuff. Some days I struggle to find the right file for the job, and it's only getting more difficult. I might have to increase my uptake of ginkgo biloba for memory boost, or hire a secretary. On second thought, I think I'll just stick with the supplements. One project that I have been working on is I've been ramping up the Patreon blog. I do miss writing and publishing blog articles, and Patreon has made some format changes which makes it more suitable as a blogging platform. So I just had to take the time to reorganize some things on that platform in order to create a smoother experience for all our Patreon members. Now blog visitors can search for the topics that interest them the most by using the Collections tab, which you'll find on the menu line, to find the category that interests them. I'm still a blogger by heart, I suppose. I know some of you want to see me crank out more videos, and I'll continue to do that in the coming year, but it seems that even when you live in paradise, you still need to take a vacation from time to time. I don't have an assistant, I do everything myself. So I've been blogging and vlogging nonstop now for over 10 years, and I just need to take a break. So for the remainder of this holiday season, I'm going to mostly relax, enjoy the holidays, drink some eggnog, and act like a normal person for a change. Table for 5. There's a view. It's about now when you all started thinking, well, what can we expect from living in the Pacific next year? Well, I've got some ideas. But for the most part, it's going to be going with the status quo. More videos and more to come from the blog. But definitely more videos. And don't forget to check our playlist and community page on YouTube. The playlist categorizes all the videos in certain categories, and the community page is where you'll find updates. Facebook will also still be our go-to social page as usual, and I'll also continue to share content on MeWe, as that platform is still hanging in strong, showing some continued growth with some new features, now with over 630,000 groups and over 20 million users. So I'm definitely going to stay connected to that uncensored platform just to see how that all goes. I hope to get more posts up on Instagram, TikTok, and X, Twitter. And I'm already on Rumble and Library, so no changes are expected there. As far as my Steemit blog goes, well, it's still up and running, but it's just a matter of time before I probably put that animal to rest. For what it's been worth, Steemit got me started in crypto with earnings for blogging, and it was a good gig for a while. But the hostile takeover and a fork in that blockchain has not pleased a lot of people, and traffic just isn't the same. The big thing that's up in the air for me now is that I might consider doing some live streams. That's right, you heard it here first. Living in the Pacific, doing live streams. So that could be interesting. And you'll need to be subscribed to the channel to receive notifications about when and if those events do happen. I might even try a few talking head episodes, maybe from the outdoors, maybe. I know many of you know my feeling on talking heads. They're just a bit cheesy and boring. And maybe I could even enter the field of expat blogger drama.
Hey, dummy! Are you run, Forrest? Run away! Let's get you! Run, Forrest, run! Run, Forrest!
Well, maybe not. I think a bottle of tequila and a portable bomb would be more interesting. Well, that about sums it all up for those who want to be in the know. And for those newcomers who may not be all that familiar with this brand, we are the turtle in the race with the hare. On YouTube anyway. We've been around for a lot of years. We entered the market early. We were one of the first vloggers in the Philippines. Still one of the only vloggers in Samar. But I'm just not in any big hurry to get anywhere. The purpose of my channel is clear. It's not to grow. It's just to create inspiration to a special interest group. And that special niche of patrons we like to call dreamers. Everyone dreams, but only a select few will actually follow those dreams. And sometimes all they need is a little encouragement and a nudge. They are, after all, our best supporters. To all our viewers and patrons of the Living the Pacific brand and all our social media pages and YouTube, have a safe and joyous holiday season, and we'll see you in 2024. Happy New Year. Cheers, Budley.
Cheers. No, Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that too.
And look at the sun.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We do hope you enjoyed it. Please help us out by mashing that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Also, a huge thanks to all our Patreons, who without your support, this channel would not be possible. For real-time updates, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and X. And always remember, never give up on a dream. And we'll see you next time.